There was much to do during the first full day at the Winnebago County Fair. Of course, there are plenty of rides and other carnival attractions, but the event revolves around the 4-H animal arts and crafts competitions.
You practice with your animal all summer. You walk it, you work with it, you show it with the head in the ring, and you just practice every day and walk it, and then during the fair you just have fun with it, go in the ring and see what you can do. They're judged on the length of body, the depth of body, the loin, and then how well it presents itself in the ring for the judge.
I've been participating in dairy, which is trying to showmanship. Then there's different classes like spring research, winter yearling, summer yearling, spring yearling. Then there's registered, which is mine. Like if the throat's kind of thick, you pull that so the judge doesn't see it. And you try and have the back foot to the judge.
Local dog owners can have their dogs participate in all sorts of jumping competitions at the County Fair's Dock Dogs tournament. Wednesday was the big air competition, where the dog's jumping distance was judged.
Come on, Kramer!
This is our third year out here at Dock Dogs. We live close, so we might as well bring them out here. And yeah, they both love the water, so as you can see, they're super excited. They can't relax very well.
Yeah, Mojo's 3.5, and it's just something fun to do with all the other dogs up until hunting season for him. Just gets him out and gets him active in the water.
The Winnebago County Fair also hosts pig races, horse riding sessions, fishing tents, chainsaw carving exhibitions, and much more. The fair runs through August 10th at the Sunnyview Expo Center in Oshkosh. For Oshkosh Northwestern Media, I'm Leo Costello.